What does a rejected Facebook ad look like in the Ads Manager? This is a frequently asked question people new to the platform have, and today we're going to show you exactly what it looks like. Now, you might have received an email saying that your ads have been rejected. So, in order to tell which ones were rejected, we simply need to go into the Facebook Ads Manager and look for the active campaign or campaigns which we are running ads in. We want to select it by clicking the tick button, and we want to click into the campaign itself. We want to scroll down and look for the red button in which there are rejected ads and click through on that ad set. Now, from here, it's just a simple job of navigating down to the ads until we find the one which has been rejected. And if we hover our mouse over it, we can see that it doesn't comply with the advertising policies. Now, if we compare that ad which says not delivering to the ads which have been approved, we can see the green button for active and two recommendations as well to improve it. And that's all there is to it. The difference between a rejected ad and an active ad is quite simple to identify. Now, in terms of fixing it, you simply need to go into the edit section and make sure you have a look at the specific reason why the ad was rejected. It will come up in the top right hand corner and it will explain the policy that your ad is not complying with at the moment. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can tell whether or not your Facebook ad is currently active or if it's been rejected. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that like button if you did, and have a fantastic day, everybody.